The TOMZON P5G GPS drone is equipped with a 4K ultra-high-definition camera, which can adjust up to 90 degrees and offers a wide view lens of 120 degrees, providing high-quality imaging and video capabilities directly on your phone. This drone utilizes 5G Wi-Fi transmission, responding quickly to all operations on the remote control, and supporting a long control range of up to 985 feet, while simultaneously displaying drone camera images on your phone screen. With its high-precision GPS system and air pressure sensor, the TOMZON P5G ensures stable and easy flight, and its auto-return system recalls the drone when the signal is lost, out of range, or low on power. The TOMZON P5G boasts an impressive 36 minutes of flight time with the inclusion of 2 batteries, and it offers beginner-friendly features such as headless mode, precise altitude hold, and one-key fly land. Through the FlyCam application, the drone can follow custom paths, return automatically via GPS, and be controlled directly from your smartphone, offering an intuitive and simple flying experience. With a takeoff weight of less than 250 grams, the TOMZON P5G avoids FAA registration issues, and its adjustable flight speeds make it suitable for different locations, while its waterproof carrying case ensures portability and convenience.